Subway sub with delicious turkey and crispy bacon.
I'm Draymond Green with my Subway sub with tender steak and melty cheese.
My sub will help you put points on the board, unlike some other subs.
Why would you say that, Jason?
Hey man, I'm just talking about subs here.
Oh, come on.
My sub is gonna throw down.
My sub has more rings than your sub.
My sub has bacon.
Choose better, be better when you build your favorite sub. And now save when you order in the app. Subway, eat fresh.
But not Jason's sub.
So. Where could all of the cartoons be hiding? Let's start an investigation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's look for cartoons to pick. I will press this microphone. Masha and the bear, let's go!